Afghanistan have created history. What a fine win. What do you make of this victory, considering the kind of situation they have back home?
दिस इज अ कंट्री विथ रेजिलियंस. जब भी पिटते हैं इन द सेंस जियो पोलिटिकली, तो वो स्पोर्टिंग फील्ड में चमकते हैं. दे हैव डन दिस विद फुटबॉल, दे हैव डन दिस विद क्रिकेट. एंड what one likes is that there is a certain level of unity amongst the group. एक कोहेशन है. गैरी कर्स्टन इस टीम के बारे में कभी नहीं कहेगा जो उसने पाकिस्तान के बारे में कहा और उसके बाद रिट्रैक्ट किया. बट द पॉइंट इज दैट this team inspires. And there's one more thing. See, the transition has happened, and somewhere I'll give credit to Ajay Jadeja for this,
Yeah.
because the transition in Afghanistan happened from the time there is a certain level of belief that was instilled into them.
Mm.
And see, they're coming from a place where they have everything to lose and nothing to lose. Nobody expects them to do well,
Yeah.
and even if they don't do well back home, nobody bothers,
Mm.
because that's their situation. So their only thing is मरता क्या ना करता है. They've got their backs to the wall. अगर वो अपने आप को वहाँ स्पोर्टिंग फील्ड में प्रूव नहीं करेंगे तो उनको पूरे साल T20 लीग्स में खेलने का चांस नहीं मिलेगा. उनका घर
Mm.
का ये नहीं, आमदनी नहीं बढ़ेगी. जो उन्होंने दुबई, शारजा, wherever they have gone ahead and settled outside of Afghanistan, they will not be able to do that. Whatever little semblance of safety because of their reputation and fame that they get, that gives them a cushion when they want to go back home and to their loved ones back home, वो सब हट
Yeah.
जाएगा. So
Mm.
so these are things which actually matter to them. The other thing is, I think somewhere as a fan, when I watch them, I feel they play with passion.
Yeah.
मजे से खेलते हैं. ये जो जान लगा के खेलना और मजे से खेलने वाली बात है ना, जैसे
Mm.
ही आपके खेल में मजा हो तो देयर विल बी अ टाइम व्हेन किस्मत भी आपके लिए चमकेगी यार. किस्मत भी
Mm.
आपके लिए घूम के बोलेगी जा ले जा यार, जी ले अपनी जिंदगी. सो आई हैव अ फीलिंग इन दिस kind of a scenario, this last 1.5 2 years, and maybe another 2.5 years for them. They have some
Yeah.
serious talent.
Mm.
That guy Rashid Khan is inspiring a lot of youngsters in Afghanistan, saying कि अगर ये कर सकता है तो मैं क्यों नहीं. अगर
Mm.
वो स्पिन कर रहा है तो मैं पेस डालूंगा. अगर वो ये कर रहा है तो मैं ये करूंगा. अगर वो दौड़ के या स्लाइड मार के कैच पकड़ रहा है तो मैं भी पकड़ूंगा. अगर
Mm.
वो जान लगा रहा है, वो टिक रहा है, वो चौके मार रहा है, वो कहीं ना कहीं किसी तेज फास्ट बॉलर को स्क्वायर लेग पे छक्का मार रहा है या इधर मार रहा है, पॉइंट पे मार रहा है, मैं भी मारूंगा. कवर पे उठा के मार रहा है, मैं भी कोशिश करूंगा.
Yeah.
ये जो धीरे धीरे इंस्पिरेशन है ना म्यूचुअली एक दूसरे को. एंड आप देखो आपस में लड़ते भी हैं.
Mm.
They are fighting and they are bickering amongst each other, but that bickering is not personal.
Mm.
It's purely with the game and forgotten there. I think that kind of an attitude to have in the team is something which is unique, and I think that's why it works. कि कभी तो क्लिक होगा ना, कभी तो सामने वाली टीम का लक खराब
Mm.
होगा, अपना चमकेगा, उस वक्त हम लोग
Mm.
अपना गेम लेके आएंगे.
Yeah.
And that's what. And low scoring totals become chaseable for them. जैसे
Mm.
ही टोटल 170 के पार चला गया, वो उनके रीच के बाहर हो गया. वो जब रेंज में है ना, तब तक वो
Yeah.
अपने आप को दे थिंक ऑफ देमसेल्व्स इन द हंट. एंड
Mm.
बॉलिंग उनके पास है, तो उनके पास टोटल डिफेंड करने की एबिलिटी हुई. आज देखो बांग्लादेश को घुसा दिया, उनको 115 किसको लगा था कि वो जीत पाएंगे.
Okay,
रेस.
Anand, I have a question for you. I want to understand this geopolitically because we are talking about Afghanistan and Bangladesh. Afghanistan's government is not really recognized by any of the nations except China. They play in the World Championships. Geopolitically, how the system works? Can you just explain other viewers quickly?
See, there is no see, West Indies is a combination of 9 countries.
Yeah,
In sport, in cricket, it doesn't matter. So do we don't recognize Trinidad and Tobago and Jamaica and everybody individually. We look at all of them as West Indies. They're a
yeah,
combination of 9 countries. See, as long as the cricket board, the ICC, like in the Olympic Charter does not recognize a nation. It recognizes the International Olympic Association of that particular country. As long as
yeah,
that is there, they will play. So the ICC recognizes the cricket body. It does not need to officially recognize a government.
mm,
It does not matter whether there's a government or not. Irrespective of whatever the regime, like tomorrow if Iran wants to play cricket,
mm,
whatever the regime there and whatever happens, Israel wants to play cricket, nobody's going to stop them from playing cricket. Because sport, you draw that line. Otherwise, we will
yeah,
not be playing cricket with Pakistan, we will not be playing cricket with
mm,
China. One of the reasons why we play, despite our geopolitical issues, is that we try and keep both separate. So whether a nation is recognized, its embassy is recognized, government is recognized, does not matter as long as its team is recognized. And
yeah,
that's where the humanitarian aspect or the people to people aspect comes into play.
mm,
Our connection is with the people of Afghanistan, not with the government of Afghanistan. The
yeah,
people of Afghanistan love their cricket and they are coming out to play. And this victory, this performances, perhaps somewhere it is putting a smile for those 2 hours or 3 hours in the on the smiles of people on faces who who forgotten उनके यहाँ ऐसे हो गए हैं, और उसको अगर हम ऐसे कर पा रहे हैं
Yeah.
even for a few hours, that's the gift that we are giving them. I think that's the greater cause that everybody looks at. So at that time, you
True.
forget all of this.